everybody, Alex Employer from Expert Forex, and welcome to today's video. As you know, in past videos I trade millions using my Forex trading robots on behalf of investment funds and investment trusts. Now, to trade that amount of money is quite scary, so you need to do a lot of research into which currencies, which EAs, which settings, and which time frames you're going to be using. And I do all that because trading those amounts of money is quite scary. And if you look at my hair, it's gone grey. I'm only 32, and these are the things that can happen. But the beauty is, I am giving you the opportunity to look over my shoulder and see exactly how I find the best currencies, the best settings, and all that, and give all that information to you, so you have all these settings and all that information to make your own Forex trading decisions. And that is what this video is all about, to show you how you can benefit from my trading, my experience. Now, it doesn't make sense to link my account to 600 other smaller accounts of $400 or $1,000 each. The admin and all that is just so bad that I rather link to one or two or three really big clients, over $1 million clients, much easier to deal with. But at the same time, I give all my other clients the advantage of looking over my shoulder and seeing what I'm doing for the big clients. So I've created a forum, and this forum's been going for a couple of months, and clients can then join the forum. It's a paid forum. It's about $43 a month, and they can then see all the activities that take place in terms of the monitoring accounts that I use to create the information that I use to trade these $1 million portfolios. Now, as this video goes on, I'll give you some information on how you can join that forum and obtain that kind of information, and even obtain the EAs and the settings that I use for my large portfolio trading. So let's go and have a look at a clip of my setup showing between 500 and 700 EAs being traded at the same time, to the benefit of my clients as well as the benefit of me, because that information is really important to me, believe me. They're trading Forex and indices, and there are 6 computers trading over 700 robots. Each has a keyboard and mouse to control that particular keyboard, and I communicate with these computers via software called Remote Assistant, so I don't have to sit here. I can actually control that from the office you've seen earlier. Hence the slightly aged chair that you can see in front of you. Now, why 6 computers? Unfortunately, MT4 has a limitation. It only allows up to 30 accounts on each machine, and therefore we have to have a lot more computers. The computer strength's enough to handle double the volume that we're currently trading on each machine. Okay, so here is where the 700 robots are being traded. Now, I hope you enjoyed that clip. I use Remote Assistant to actually log into those computers, so I can work from my computer right here. I don't have to leave my environment here to trade those computers. Okay, so now that you've seen all of that, let's go and have a look at the forum, and I'll show you a little bit more about what's available in the forum and how you can use the information that is available to make the same decisions as what I'm making. The other thing is, in this forum, you can personally chat to me one-on-one all the time. So you can ask me, why are you doing that? Why are you using those settings? Why this? That kind of thing, and I will chat. Okay, and here we are on the forum. You can go to the forum at this particular address, and once you're at the forum, to see all the details that I spoke about earlier, you obviously have to be a paid member, and you do that by joining there. There's a special section, and you join in the paid section. After you've joined, the first thing that I would do is I would go to the monitoring accounts, and I'd go and have a look at what's hot and what's not. So I click on that particular link, and it will open a portfolio of all of the monitoring accounts that are being traded at the moment, and you can see they're all going up quite nicely. I would then click on that link, and I would click on portfolio over there, and then you get a breakdown of all of the accounts that are in this particular forum, and by sorting them in equity order like that, you can see which ones are hot and which ones are not. And you can see at the moment the make money is very hot. It's the time of day is getting into the top there, and the dream machine is coming up very strongly, and I actually predict quite a strong a good future for the dream machine in this context. So you can then decide, oh, all right, I want to trade the make money EA, or I want to trade the dream machine EA, or the grid trend multiply in EA. Then what you do is you actually click on the account that you want to trade. You click on symbol, and then you can see all the currencies that are being traded there, and which ones you should avoid and which ones you should trade. And you can see the pound yen is definitely one to trade, the euros definitely one to avoid. So immediately you know, for your make money EA, you immediately know the 4-hour time frame trading the pound yen is the way to go. And where do you find the settings? So let's go and find the settings. So the quickest way is actually just to click on categories. You go to the main menu that way, and I'll go down back to the monitoring accounts. That was 5.1. Now 5.2 is actually where the settings are. So you go and click on the settings, and there you'll find all the ones. The Dream Machine, as I say, is the one of the hotter EAs at the moment. And we were just looking at the Make Money Aggressive account. So we click on that. And then it opens up a chart of that particular MA. Now you'll see that this one is actually cooled down, but it's trading sideways at the moment, and that's because this is a trending EA. The market overall is consolidating because of uncertainty, and that's why the Dream Machine is performing particularly well at the moment. So but the point here was there are the settings. So you just download the setting files and you've got those. And then you can do the same thing for indexes. You can also trade a portfolio of Forex currencies, and that's a good way to do it, because as I said, the Dream Machine is doing extremely well at the moment, but the Make Money is going sideways. So by combining the two, the one's a trending EA and the other one's a sideways EA, you can actually have a portfolio where your risk is balanced, and I've made a few videos about that. So that's the sort of highlights of the forum, how you can look over my shoulder, find the settings, find the currencies, find the time frames, and find the EAs that are that will help you with your Forex trading. We have a bit of a storm going at the moment. Anyway, if you want to take advantage of the work that I'm doing in isolating the currencies and EAs and time frames and settings for you, please join this forum and get into the conversation of trading Forex Robots. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's given you some food for thought, and also it gives you an idea of the resources available to you as a result of my work and my experience. So from me, Alex Aploy, and the two boys, the one sleeping at the back there, you can see him, and the ones at my feet, cheerio.